Previously, we took a block from this drawing and we converted it to a DWG using the wblock command. It was this block here, the executive chair. Now what I'm going to do is redefine that block. So at the moment I've got instances of that chair with the little side armrests there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the drawing that we created from the block. Now we did this previously. It's the exec chair drawing there. So I now double click. What I'm going to do, I'm going to edit now the chair drawing itself. I'm going to remove these objects here. Now you'll notice when you wblock a block into a DWG file, you'll see that these items are purely objects now. The block itself has been exploded into its original objects in the DWG file. So I'm going to erase those bits there, and I'm going to do the same here. The armrests are going to be taken off this chair now, and I'm going to erase those as well. What I'm also going to do, I'm going to take this line here, and I'm going to take the end grips and just drop them on there like that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So click on the line, end grip, end point, end grip, end point, and hit escape like so. So there's my executive chair now, but it's been changed. So I now click here and close that. Save changes, yes please. Now, the DWG has the same name as this block here. So if I click on this block, I right click and go to Properties on the shortcut menu, it will tell me it's a block reference and the name is exec-chair, the same as the DWG file that we've just edited. So the names are exactly the same. Now what AutoCAD is very good at is picking up on, I'm just going to close the Properties palette there and hit Escape. AutoCAD is very good at picking up on things that have the same names and warning you. So if I now go to Insert a Block using the Block panel here on the Home tab, I click on Insert, I'm not going to use the blocks in the drawing. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hit Escape there once and go to Browse, and I'm going to browse for my exec chair drawing. I can bring a drawing into my existing drawing as a block. So I click on exec chair, look there it is, with no armrests. I click on Open, and it's acting in exactly the same way as a block. Look, but it's got a path. That is all. It's a big long path, you don't need to worry about it. Insertion point, specify on screen. Scale, I'll leave that at 1. Obviously it's in millimeters, so I want it to stay the same. Rotation, I'll leave that at 0. Now what you will notice, my current layer is Windows again. I'll change that later, that's no problem. But when I click on OK, it prompts me now, do I want to redefine my block? It tells me that there are a number of executive chair block references in the drawing. There are 2. There's one there, and there's one there. I'm going to redefine the block. That will redefine the blocks in the drawing and the definition of the block in the drawing database. So I redefine the block. There's my new chair without the arms. I'll pop that onto the furniture layer quickly while I remember. And I hit Escape. But look, it's redefined these ones here. What you'll also notice is if I go Insert Block again now, and use the one from the drawing, the exec chair from the drawing now, not the DWG file, and I click on OK, look, it's redefined that one in the drawing database as well. So you'll notice it has no armrests anymore. So you can redefine a block from a DWG file. Let's just quickly erase these 2 chairs here. I don't actually need them anymore. And you can see there's my redefined executive chairs there in the drawing.